morning, TL travelers, and welcome back to the TL Travel YouTube channel. Today is Vlogmas day 10, and we are in TK Howe in the French Polynesian Islands. We are basically in the middle of absolutely nowhere. There's really no civilization around except for our little overwater bungalows and the beach resort that we're at. But we have kayaks included, so we're gonna take the kayaks out and go for a bit of an adventure and see if we can find ourselves our own little spot to just chill out and spend the day. So yeah, we just got back from breakfast. We're gonna go grab the kayaks now and we're gonna bring you with us. So let's do this. Gosh, I don't have my mic, so I'm just sort of covering the mic from the wind. I hope that you guys can hear me, but this is like just where else in the world have we ever been where we can be out here and there's literally no one else here. We're the only people. For like, it's flat out there and I can see nobody. Just me and Derek.
I'm living off I drive a sports car just to cool. I'm a real big baller cause I made $1 million and I spend it on girls and shoes. But you don't wanna be high like it. Never really know why like it. You don't really know step off the roller coaster all alone. You don't make a lot of things like this. Never know if you just like this. You don't want to slip up on that stage. Slip up on that stage.
Well, that was amazing. Truly like our own beach paradise for the afternoon, or beaches, multiple beaches. But we see rain maybe possibly coming in the distance and we have to kayak home. So we are going to kayak home and possibly have quite the adventure. Ready to pack it in?
Oh, yeah.
Save the camera equipment from the rain? Onward.
Baby, I got your back, looking at you, thinking about all of the ways that you know me, I can't get enough. We got the future burning the past, good and the bad, making it last. We are what I want and I want what I already got. When you come through the room, I know that you know if you fall, I won't be there.
Okay, so we have returned and that was an adventure. The rain didn't catch us and I think it's actually gonna end up like passing right kind of like behind us. I don't think we're gonna get it, but it was real windy. It was, I mean, it was touch and go for me there for a moment. I think Derek was fine. Were you scared?
It was pretty rough.
Yeah?
Pretty windy.
Were you scared for your life?
No.
No. So yeah, we're back now and pretty much just gonna take it easy until dinner. It's kind of like a late dinner situation here, and yeah, and my arms hurt and my body hurts from not just from kayaking, but from also from, you know, activities yesterday and being burnt and then, you know, recovering from being broken. So I'm gonna give my foot a rest and we're just gonna chill honeymoon style. Hey babe?
Right.
Just go and relax. So I'm gonna leave you guys here for today. Stay great, travel safe, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button because we post new travel content every Thursday and Sunday and are vlogging every single day of December for Vlogmas. Lots more to come and you won't want to miss it. So stick around and see you later. Bye.
Tell me what you gonna do.